To my kids, I want you to know something before we talk about anything else. You don't have to earn your place at this table. You already belong here. The world outside asks you to perform early, to compare, to rush who you're becoming, to decide who you are before you even had time to figure it out. That's pressure doesn't live here. This table isn't about grades, popularity, or proving anything. It's nothing about being the funniest, the toughest, or the most confident. It's not about having the right answer. It's a place to land. You're allowed to still be figuring yourself out. You're allowed to change your mind. You're allowed to feel unsure, quiet, confident, awkward, or all of it at once. None of that disqualifies you from belonging here. I know there are moments when it feels like everyone else has it together, like you're behind, like you need to fit a mold to be accepted. But I want you to hear this clearly. You don't need to become someone else to matter. You don't need to keep up with anyone to belong. You don't need to rush your story to match someone else's timeline. Who you are becoming is allowed to take time. This table is a place where you're seen before you're sorted, where you're valued before you're evaluated, where you're safe even when you don't have the words. So tonight, there's no fixing, there's no lectures, no comparisons to anyone else's path, just space. If you want to talk, I'm here. If you don't, that's okay too. Here's the only invitation I'll make tonight. What part of today felt the heaviest or stayed with you longer than you expected? You don't have to answer it right away. You don't have to explain it perfectly. Just know this. You're not behind. You're not failing. You are becoming. And this table will always be a place where you belong. Long before the world decides who you should be.